Hello traders, this is Ala Peters with Morning Review on October 7th. This is S&P daily chart. S&P is not far off from the end of the minor trend. Response at this level is absolutely critical. This is essential support level where we're expecting pretty powerful bullish response. Again, if this level is broken, price will head drastically lower down. Nevertheless, we know extremely clearly not to enter anywhere near this area. We're expecting powerful bullish response at the end of the minor trend. 1942, allow a couple of points wiggle room since this is a daily level. Okie dokie, so this is picture perfect reminder what we've seen yesterday and why I've taken long from this area. So this was reversal zone, correct? And this is where the bounce had the collapse came from, as bullish trend was not able to break to the upside. Hourly chart is pointing to the end of the minor trend, 1938.50. Nevertheless, 1942 is a huge daily level in between. Bottom line is, what is the price telling us currently? Do not touch S&P. We're expecting a pullback as we have very critical daily level before price will make it to this area. So two key levels we are watching for this morning: 1942, next level 1938.50. We cannot short S&P right now, way too late. That is what's important and essential to remember. And that's precisely why S&P had been staging bullish corrections since yesterday, 11 a.m. EST. That's the danger of reversal zone, and that's absolutely essential and critical to remember and never ever underestimate. So, those are the levels on S&P this morning. So let's take a look on oil and let's remember the importance of the end of the minor trend, where we had taken advantage of these levels yesterday, taking only 2 long trades. What is oil showing currently? Where is it heading to? I expect oil to revisit not far off from this area, precisely to the key. Let's take a look and let's see what oil is showing currently. Currently, oil is showing very clearly, similar to S&P. It's way too late to short. Oil is not far off from 89.38. This is not just very important hourly level. It is absolutely critical level on oil, not just daily, but also monthly chart. So absolutely essential and very powerful support levels, not far off away on oil. Take a look on oil daily. Take a look on oil daily. The end of the minor trend is not to be ignored. So both instruments, until I see a bullish pullback, I cannot touch, as both instruments, bearish trends, are way overextended. We do recognize completely that bearish trend on both instruments is major. It is absolutely essential to remember and recognize that it is way too late to short. Until I see bullish pullback, I cannot touch oil and I cannot touch S&P. So let's remember these levels and let's respect them before we ever touch price. So to the downside, oil 89.38, 89, 88.67, especially critical. Those are 3 levels to the downside on oil. On S&P, 1938.50 on hourly, and we're already seeing a bounce on S&P from daily area. As I warned you, allow a wiggle room because daily level is not to be ignored. So again, those are very important levels to the downside. Currently both oil and S&P taking a bit of a pause as expected. Therefore, those are the levels to the downside. Bearish trend in a play, monitoring for pretty impressive bounce at any moment on S&P and oil before we start shorting again.